reservation. There was violation of reservation in UPSC. There was violation of reservation in lateral entry post, and now assistant teacher recruitment. From last 1 month, what we are seeing that reservation was in news and it was widely discussed and debated. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series of Drishti IAS. I'm Ritu and today's session is about 69,000 teacher post of Uttar Pradesh and why High Court had ordered that it needs to be revisited. And this session is important for your GS 2 perspective. Moving towards the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we'll have a discussion on that what is this assistant teacher recruitment examination. After that, we are going to discuss the allegations by the students and candidates, and then we are going to discuss that why candidates reach to the court. After that, we are going to discuss that what is the opinion of court regarding this thing, and then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IAS channel. Moving towards the news part. So on 13th of August, what we have seen that Allahabad High Court had ruled that there should be the revisit and fresh list of the assistant teacher recruitment of Uttar Pradesh. So this is the news which we are going to cover up in today's session. And why this news is a part of discussion, because candidates had alleged that there was a serious violation of reservation this time. So it's very important to have a discussion on reservation, especially in employment and jobs. So now we'll come to the next slide, which is about that what is assistant teachers recruitment examination. So what we have seen that on December 5th, 2018, Uttar Pradesh government issued an advertisement to recruit 69,000 assistant teachers in the state, and the exam was held on 5th January 2019, on which what we have seen that 4.31 lakh applicants had applied and 4.110 lakhs applicant had appeared for the it. And what we have seen that on May 12, 2020, there was a declaration of result of this examination, and around 1.46 lakhs candidate had qualified this examination. And the cutoff for the general category was 67.11%, for the other backward caste 66.73%, and for the scheduled caste 61.01%, and ST seats remain vacant because there was no candidate for this. On June 1, 2020, the Secretary of the Basic Education Board Allahabad delineated the recruitment process and 2 lists were issued, and one dated on October 11, 2020. In that list 31,277 candidates list name was there, and in another which was on 30th October 2020, in which 36,590 candidates list were there, and together they formed 67,867 seats. And what we have seen that 1,133 posts of scheduled tribe remain vacant because suitable candidates were not found for this. So this is about the assistant teacher recruitment examination, and we have seen that there was a list of 67,867 candidates. But what's the problem in it? So the problem is that that whatever the list were published, they had not followed the category wise norm. So that was only 2 lists and there was no breakup on the basis of category. The second thing is that this list has violated the 50% norms of reservation, and it has been alleged that the OBC candidates had not received their due representation, and even scheduled caste candidates had not received their due representation in this examination. So it is expected that OBC should be given 27% reservation into this, but they are just given 3.86% reservation. And if we'll talk about the scheduled caste, so scheduled caste were given 16.2% of the reservation against 21%. So this was the thing that first of all there was no category wise breakup, and the second is that what we have seen that there was a breach of 50% ceilings, and also there was a violation for OBC and scheduled caste students. Now we'll come to the next one, which is about the why did candidates approach the Allahabad High Court. So we have already seen that because the reservation norms had been not followed, and the 50% beach has been breached. On the basis of that, the Allahabad High Court was approached by the candidates, and candidates had approached by saying that there should be category wise details, declaration of category wise details, and this is a matter of disproportionate representation and also meritorious reserved students. Suppose that if any student belonging to the OBC category had qualified in general category or unreserved category, so they were deliberately remained in the OBC category. So this was also the case. So that's why the Allahabad High Court has been approached in order to ensure justice to the candidates. Now we'll come to the next one. Next one is about that what is the latest ruling and what are its implications. So this matter has been reached to the court many times, and even the students had protested against what you can say the government, and the government delegation also met, but the students were not satisfied. They were given just assurance, but no solution had been taken care of. So this time Allahabad High Court has come with a solution, and Allahabad High Court has said that 69,000 vacancy, assistant teachers vacancy should be revisited and the fresh list should be issued following the reservation norms. So this is the mandate of the Allahabad High Court into this case, and after that they have given the duration that within 3 months they had to do this thing, and the teachers who had been already selected and by the fresh list, if they will be the out of the list, they should not be out by this session, so that student studies should not be hampered. So they will be out by the end of that session. So this is the mandate of the High Court, and that has created a lot of political uproar among different opposition. Opposition has directly claimed and attacked on the government, and it said that it has done injustice to the OBC candidates and SC/ST candidates. So we'll not go to the political implication, but this is the court's observation into this matter. Now we'll come to the question part. The question is, which of the following grounds does not form the basis of discrimination prohibited by Article 16 of the Indian Constitution? Sex, wealth, religion, caste. So you have to answer this into the comment section, and also you have to remember your answer for the reservation system, because this time also we have seen that there was a violation of reservation rules of 1994 by Uttar Pradesh government, and they had also breached this 50% ceiling. They had not given the due representation of the OBC and scheduled caste population, and also if such things are happening, that also hampers the growth of the what you can say employment sector of any country or any state, and there will be much what you can say here and there for any recruitment examination, because students had already appeared and they qualified, and later they will be disqualified because government has not done transparency into this case. So that created a lot of uproar among social media, and so many students, so many candidates protested against this. But this is the decision of the High Court, and we must adhere to the decision of the High Court in order to ensure justice, social representation of the various classes. So thank you, and that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to the session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.